Welcome to the TopPick lab. The best Jazlash is probably one of the most sought-after beauty tools for achieving salon-quality results right at home, and today, we're diving deep into what makes this particular device stand out from the crowd. If you're tired of spending a fortune on professional lash extensions or struggling with clumpy mascara, then you'll want to pay close attention as we explore its innovative features and demonstrate its effectiveness, ultimately helping you decide if it's the right addition to your beauty arsenal. Number 5. Grande Cosmetics GrandeLASH-MD Lash Enhancing Serum. Discover the secret to beautifully enhanced lashes. Our serum is designed to give you the longer, thicker, and fuller-looking lashes you've always dreamed of. Infused with a potent blend of peptides and vitamins, this formula nourishes your lashes from root to tip. Experience a visible transformation with every application. See a remarkable difference in the length, thickness, and fullness of your lashes. Achieve a more dramatic and captivating look effortlessly. Rest assured, our lash-enhancing serum has been tested by ophthalmologists for your safety. It's gentle enough for daily use around the eye area. We believe in beauty without compromise. Our product is proudly cruelty-free, so you can feel good about the choices you make. It's time to elevate your lash game. Embrace the confidence that comes with stunning, enhanced lashes. Try it today and prepare to be amazed. What we like? If you're dreaming of naturally longer and fuller lashes, this serum is your answer. Its peptide and vitamin-infused formula works to enhance lash appearance over time. For those seeking a non-irritating, lash-boosting solution, this is a fantastic choice. What people say. We have all seen significant growth and noticeable length in our eyelashes since we started using it. It really works. The application is quick and fits perfectly into our nightly routines. None of us have experienced any irritation, which was a priority for me when sharing it with my girls. Number 4. Rapid Volume D-Curl Eyelash Extensions. Achieve breathtaking volume with our Rapid Lash Extensions. Designed for ease of use, they create a beautiful fan effect effortlessly. Experience the perfect D-curl and a delicate 0.07 thickness for a natural yet dramatic look. They blend seamlessly with your client's own lashes. Our innovative Easy Fan technology allows for quick and consistent volume fans. This saves you time and ensures flawless application every time. From subtle 3D to dramatic 10D, these lashes offer versatility for any desired look. Create customized volume sets with ease. Enjoy the automatic blooming effect that creates beautiful flower-like fans. They are perfect for Russian volume and individual lash applications. Available in lengths from 8mm to 15mm, you can create a personalized lash set for every client. Achieve the perfect length and fullness. What we like? For lash artists aiming for stunning volume and efficiency, these extensions are a game changer. The Easy Fan technology allows for quick, beautiful 3D, 10D fans. If you want to create dramatic, Russian volume looks with speed and precision, these are perfect for you. What people say. Great pre-made fan lashes, D-curl mix. Easy to use, lightweight, and gives a full look. These lashes are perfect lightweight beautiful spikes, good material, durable, they are very set to apply, and the curl is pretty, a definite must try. These lashes completely changed the lash game for me. They are so easy to fan. No joke. These are ultra soft as well. They already fan out on their own when you pull them off the strip, so you don't have to do much fanning yourself. Number 3. Essence Lash Princess False Lash Effect Mascara. Introducing the Lash Princess False Lash Effect Mascara. Get ready for dramatic volume and incredible length with every application. This mascara delivers stunning volume and beautifully lengthens your lashes. Achieve a false lash look effortlessly. We believe in beauty without harm. Our formula is proudly cruelty-free, so you can feel good about your choice. Your well-being is important. That's why this mascara is formulated without parabens, offering a cleaner beauty experience. Transform your lashes with this incredible mascara. Experience the perfect blend of volume, length, and conscious beauty. What we like? If you desire the dramatic look of false lashes without the hassle, this mascara delivers. It provides impressive volume and length, giving your natural lashes a bold transformation. For anyone seeking an affordable, high-impact mascara that's also kind to animals, this is a must-try. What people say. The Lash Growth Serum is effective and I have seen noticeable results. It is easy to apply and doesn't irritate my eyes. My lashes look longer and fuller after using this product for a few weeks. Number 2. Paula's Choice Skin Perfecting 2% BHA Liquid Exfoliant. Discover the power of our 2% BHA Liquid Exfoliant. It gently polishes your skin, revealing a smoother and brighter complexion. This potent formula is designed to tackle enlarged pores, fine lines, and wrinkles. Experience a refined skin texture like never before. Struggling with blackheads? Our exfoliant is specifically formulated for blackhead-prone skin. Say goodbye to stubborn blemishes. Enjoy the benefits of powerful exfoliation without irritation. It's formulated to be gentle on your skin, even with daily use. We've kept it simple and effective. This exfoliant is completely fragrance-free, making it suitable for even the most sensitive skin types. Incorporate this essential step into your routine for visibly improved skin. Achieve the clear, smooth, and radiant complexion you've always desired. What we like. For those struggling with enlarged pores and blackhead-prone skin, this exfoliant is a powerful ally. Its 2% BHA formula deeply cleanses and smooths. If you're looking for a fragrance-free treatment to refine your skin's texture and combat blemishes, this is an excellent option. What people say. My face is so soft and smooth, it's insane. No dry flaky skin on my nose as usual, seriously decreased sebaceous filaments, small blackheads. Skin feels tighter, pores smaller, tone evened out so much brighter, my skin feels super clean. Instantly smooth her skin with first use, noticeably reduced appearance of bumps. Second application, her skin is even smoother, redness of some bumps reduced. My pores already look a bit smaller, not so open to junk to fill them up. My face is so soft, smooth. A splash of this produced immediate smoothing results. No flaky parts left for makeup to gravitate to. No greasy after feeling. No burning, irritation. No redness. Number 1. LEGO Ideas 123 Sesame Street Building Kit. Relive cherished childhood memories with this iconic LEGO build. It's a fantastic way to share the magic of Sesame Street with others. Bring your favorite characters to life. This set includes beloved figures like Elmo, Cookie Monster, Bert, Ernie, and Big Bird, along with many other fun friends. Step inside Elmo's room and the cozy apartment of Bert and Ernie. You'll discover many authentic details that fans will adore. Discover Hooper's store, Big Bird's nest, and Oscar's trash can. This 1,367-piece kit offers hours of enjoyment for solo builders or family fun. Standing over 9 inches tall, this impressive model is perfect for display. It's the ultimate gift for any Sesame Street enthusiast or LEGO collector. What we like. If you're a fan of classic television and enjoy a rewarding building experience, this set is for you. It brings the beloved 123 Sesame Street to life with incredible detail and iconic characters. For adults seeking a nostalgic display piece or a fun, family-friendly building project, this is a perfect choice. What people say. This set has so much charm. This is definitely a challenge build, but well worth it. Not to mention if you're building it together you can enjoy all the great level of detail the designer has put into this set to satisfy the fans and just bring that hint of your childhood back. Building it was pure joy, the way LEGO hides little surprises throughout was so fun. Highly recommend this to any Henson fan. Or heck, any LEGO fan. This set has so much detail. From pictures of the Count and Mr. Hooper on the wall to Ernie's rubber ducky to Big Bird's teddy bear, this set has it all. The architectural detail is great and the minifigs created for the set are much more true to life than typical LEGO minifigs, the kids will love them. For adults, the set includes details from different eras of the show and is sure to have you looking up old episodes online. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.